If you ever closed a tab in Google Chrome by mistake, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the fastest ways to restore closed tabs in just a few seconds. This is one of those simple browser tricks that can save you a lot of time, especially if you had important research, a form, a video, or multiple websites open at once. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this one. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, make sure Google Chrome is open on your computer. This method works on desktop and laptop browsers, and it's one of the easiest Chrome shortcuts you can learn. Now, if you only want to restore the last closed tab, just press Ctrl, Shift, and T on your keyboard at the same time. Chrome will instantly reopen the most recently closed tab. This is the fastest way to recover something you closed by accident, and it works really well when you realize your mistake right away. If you close more than one tab, you can keep pressing Ctrl, Shift, and T again. Every time you use that shortcut, Chrome will bring back another previously closed tab in the order they were closed. So if you accidentally close several pages, you do not need to search for them one by one. Just keep using the shortcut until all the tabs you need are back. Now, there is also a manual method you can use through Chrome's history menu. This is especially useful if the tab was closed a while ago or if you want to choose a specific page instead of reopening everything in order. To do that, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. That opens the main menu. From there, move your mouse over or click History. You should see recently closed tabs and browsing history options appear. If you don't see the exact page you want right away, click to open the full history page. On the history page, Chrome shows a list of websites and pages you visited recently. Find the website or tab you want to reopen, then click it. Chrome will immediately open that page again in a new tab. This method is really helpful if you need to restore something from earlier in the day, not just the last tab you closed. It also gives you more control if you're trying to recover a specific website, article, or work page. So to quickly recap, if you want the fastest option, use Ctrl, Shift, and T. If you need to restore multiple tabs, keep pressing the same shortcut again and again. And if you want to manually find an older page, open Chrome History and click the site you want to bring back. That's all it takes to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome. Super easy, super useful, and definitely one of those shortcuts worth remembering. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.